What's up, guys? It's me again, Kyle. I'm back at it. I have my Bayson R CK style rear spoiler that I'm about to put on. Already put the 3M taping on and I actually vinyl wrapped it. Don't ask me to vinyl wrap. It's awful. I need to learn more, but I'm getting better at it. So here we go. All right, so Bayson R did provide the 3M tape and this primer adhesion promoter. I went ahead and did a little bit of a paint correction on here. The paint on this was pretty bad, so I just did some waxing and stuff on it just to prep it. So now I'm going to fit the spoiler to make sure I know where to put the adhesion. So let's get to it. All right, so for starters, you want to make sure that you line up the spoiler with so there's a line right here and there's a body line with the trunk. So that's essentially where you want this to be, okay? So what you would want to do at this point is to take the adhesion, the primer adhesion, put it on a paper towel. I'm probably not using the right stuff. You know, paper towel is probably not the best idea, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rub under where the spoiler is gonna go. Now, Bayson R does have a installation video for this, so I'll put it in the description below. But you also want to make sure that you prime the edge here. Lucky for me, I know where it needs to go, so I'm just gonna set the spoiler. I waxed it too much, it slid right off. I'm just gonna put the spoiler to the side. I'm gonna take the adhesion primer and just clean up the edge, and I'm just gonna hit this again. I'm gonna go over it with a clean microfiber towel just to clean up some of the excess. Again, there's nothing on the microfiber towel, but I'm just cleaning up this just in case. Now that I have that done, I am going to take the strip. Now, if you guys haven't noticed already, my garage is awfully tight. I don't typically use it, but in the winter months, if I'm trying to do something, I'll back the car in, and because it's less cold. So I did it for the chrome delete that I did with the vinyl wrap. It's in another video. All right. I wish they provided enough tape to go on the sides, but you know, that's my fault for not going to get extra tape. So again, I want to line the trim up. This stuff is awfully sticky, so I just want to make sure everything is lined up properly. You try getting your big ass behind here. And you know what? I realized mine's not exactly on there. Oh, that sucks. It's on. It's on, guys. All right, so no going back, right? I imagine it's going differently, you know? But it feels good. But as you can see here, it is not going down on the edge. So I do need to get some extra tape, but it does fit quite nicely. So what do you guys think? Let me know. All right, so as you can see, it's all done. It looks funny from back here or down low. It doesn't look right, but it is, I promise. But thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I have more content on the way. It might just take some time because I have a family to take care of, a wife to take care of. So, you know, I try to make as much time as possible for them before I do stuff with my car. Note to everybody who needs to do that, you guys got to spend more time with your family. Time is limited, everybody, so make the best of it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop preaching. All right, I got a front lip that I'm going to install and a side skirt that I'm going to install later. I just need to get some vinyl, put some vinyl on that. I don't plan on modding my car any more or any further than that. I might buy some rims. I don't know. I'm staying on stock springs though. Probably gonna upgrade maybe some sway bars, front and rear, and yeah, that's about it. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, please like my videos. I try to do this as much as I can. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.